how you can clean the G20 Max vacuum cleaner. So how you can actually open it. So I got it right here. You can rotate it, and here you can see this little part. What it is, it's a button. Pull it to this side and grab all of these. If you rotate this bin, here is the first filter. You can just grab it, and here you can see the dust. So now you're gonna clean this filter. I got here my small vacuum cleaner. Actually, it's a dog grooming kit, but I'm using it for cleaning. So let me just clean it quickly. And it should be it. You can also replace it for a new one. Once you are done, you can also clean or vacuum clean all this area, but it's not necessary. So this is the first filter. And if you go to this part, here you can see two locks, here and here. So from the right side, rotate to the left side and grab it. And this is the second filter, and we want to also vacuum clean it. So let me just do it again. This one wasn't that heavily used like this one, so it was quite easy. Now you can just place it back and make sure to rotate it back until it locks. So that should be done. Also, you should be able to clean this orange thing. So again, rotate it, and we want to grab this filter and put it somewhere, don't lose it. And here, grab this thing, I don't know how it's called. And here you can see again, lock and unlock. So now you can just grab it. You can clean this part. And that's how you can actually clean the filters. If you are done, put all your parts back to the vacuum cleaner like this. Put here the filter, put it here, and just make sure to click and it should be done. You can try it if it works. And I feel the power of the suction after I clean that filter. So it really helps. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.